Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to get the GDPR Cookie Consent. First, let's go to the plugins and add a new one. Here, let's search for GDPR. Press on Install Now on this plugin. After the install, press on Activate. Let's open Cookie Law Settings. Here we have some settings. I'm going to show you the 3 types of cookie consent you can use on your site. A simple banner. Let's now open an incognito page. Now, a simple pop-up. Let's refresh the page and see how it looks. And the last, a widget. Let's refresh the page. I really like this option. This plugin looks quite good and it's very good for your GDPR. Thanks for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye.